It's Wednesday and we're still indoors. I'm sad to hear today of the news of the death of John Prine. I was a big fan of John Prine, and started out playing his songs back in the day, Illegal Smile and Sam Stone, and always thought what a remarkable songwriter he was, clever and interesting and fascinating and so skilled and at getting his thoughts across and his feelings. And so today I wanted to pay tribute to John, in my opinion, just one of the best. And this is a song I used to play up in London when I lived there with Kevin Foster. We used to in our little band at a different country, and also sometimes when with Hang Wangford we used to do this, me and Kevin, as a duet. And it's a song called Speed of the Sound of Loneliness for John. Come home late and you come home early. Come home big and you're feeling small. Come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. I've got a love that burns with a fever. I've got a worried and a troubled mind. How can a love that burns forever sometimes be so hard to find? What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. It's a mighty sad and a dreadful sorrow creeps through this wicked land today. How can we talk about tomorrow? We ain't got no words to say. What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run.